Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought I would hop on today and share a makeup subscription box unboxing. I've got my IPSY March 2023 box here, so I figured let's open it up together, see what's inside. Let me know if you got the same things or what was in your box, because I would love to know. So let's get into it, beauties. Here it is. So I'm not sure what the theme is for this month, and usually I read beforehand, but this time I didn't get a chance to. So here it is, you guys, and wow, okay, this looks good. This is looking amazeballs. This is too good. This is too good. Wait till you see it. You guys, how gorgeous does this look so far? This is all I saw and I just gasped. When I opened it, I gasped. So, oh my God, look at that. The bag has a little heart on it. It's beautiful. And the red and pink, it's like that kind of poochy print. This is beautiful. Okay, let's look inside. Or should I save this? I can't decide because look at this. I want to see what this is. There was this big product. It says this is the Dr. Brandt Essence Hydrating Essence Tone, Smooth, and Revitalize. So what is this? Close your eyes and spray over cleansed skin. So it's not a makeup spray, setting spray, because I was just about to spray my face with it. No. I have makeup on, so you want to spray it onto cleansed skin. So let me see if it has a scent. Now, they sent something. Oh, it doesn't really have a scent, so I can't wait to try that. Yeah, no scent. And then here is something else. Ovene. What is this? I hope I said that right. Oveen. What is this, a lip kit? Or I don't know what. Is this a lip? Guys, what is this? I have no idea. What is it? I still don't. Is this a lip pencil or what? Dragon liner. Oh, this is the dragon liner. Let's see. Oh, it's black. Okay. And then what's this? What is this, guys? Is this a liquid liner? Oh, it's liquid liner. So it's a little eyeliner duo. One is the kind of kohl liner and one is the liquid liner. I really love putting on the eyeliner, the kohl liner, smudging it out, and then you put the liquid liner on top on your upper lid, and it looks so good. So I will be doing that in the future. Did any of you guys get this? Let me know down below. Oh no, stop! Look at this! Is this from Miss SL Glam? How do you say her name? SL Glam? Is this one of her brushes? It's beautiful. It has pink. It has a pink handle and red heart, but it does have those crystals studded into the side of it. So that's like SL Miss Glam. I'm sorry, saying her name wrong. Miss SLM Miss Glam. Is that it? This looks beautiful. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use it right now. Give me some blush, girl. Okay, what is this? Do it for the gram. Oh, that's so funny. And it's graham crackers. That is so funny. Oh, Beauty Bakerie. Do it for the gram. That's hysterical. I wonder if these are these kind of, golden tone shades. I would love that. Imagine if it smells like graham crackers. That'll be amazing because I love graham crackers. And I haven't had one in so long. Oh, okay. Here's the shades. It doesn't have a scent, but what do you guys think? Did you guys get this palette? It looks beautiful. I love the selection of shades in here. It's a great variety of different colors. The blue, and then you get the warm tones and some of these more neutral tones. So, and of course these gorgeous shimmers. So I'll be back and we can try this out together. I absolutely love the packaging. It's beautiful. Too bad it doesn't smell like graham crackers, but what can you do? We can't have it all, right? Like, girl, we can't have it all. I figured we could play with it today and do a testing out new makeup. So here I have this new palette from Beauty Bakerie, and this is called the Do It for the Gram palette. Isn't that so funny? So I figured we'll make a look and see how it applies and all that good stuff. So there's some gorgeous, very wearable daytime looks in here, but with these beautiful, matte warm tone shades. But this shade here is calling my name. It's this beautiful gunmetal shade with sparkles in it. So I'm going to put this one on first and I guess I'm going to do like a smoky eye, because after I saw this, I was like, I need to play with that. Oh, okay. Wow. That is so gorgeous. Actually has a emerald shift to it, so it's not actually gunmetal like I thought. It's almost like a beautiful bronze with this emerald highlight in it. Oh, gorgeous. And I just wet my brush and it's coming out even more shimmery and gorgeous. That shift is everything. It's just absolutely stunning. So I hope this is coming out for you guys to see. I hope you guys can see all that gorgeousness. It's beautiful. So now I'm just going to take this shade here and blend that out. So I hope you guys can see, but there is a lot of fallout. So that was totally unexpected. So I just put some of this shade here. This is a deeper matte shade into the outer portion of my eye. And I just cleaned up the fallout. So just be on the lookout. You probably want to tap your brush off before you put these matte shades on your eye because they will make fallout. I'm just taking that same shade and I'm just running it under my lower lashes with this perfect BK Beauty brush. This brush is amazing for smoking out, especially your lower lash area. And I just added some eyeliner, I just tight lined with this Beauty for Real. This is such a great eyeliner. I think I got this in an IPSY box, but it's just so, something is so perfect about it. I just love it. And I'm gonna do my upper lash area too, do a little wing liner. So this is the finished look. Love the eyeshadow palette, just watch out for the fallout. Okay, so now here is something else, a little package. So this right here, MOTD, Makeup of the Day Blush Duo. Okay, now I'll have a blush on hand so I can try that brush out maybe. Let me try to open this. It's so hard to open. I put my press-on nails on and now I can't open anything anymore. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty. It has a little, oh, it has a little like elastic on it to hold it. Oh, how cute. It's just like the Charlotte Tilbury. Cute. I love that. I'll just take this brush and just give it a try. Did you guys get this yet? I should use a mirror, right? You're like, use a mirror, please. Oh, this brush is, ooh, look at that. Now, you know what? I really was kind of thinking, oh, I would save this for a giveaway. I wasn't going to use it because it looked very light and I like more blush with more, you know, color to it. And I thought this was on the light side, but look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my, I was totally not expecting that. I'm so glad that I tried this with, because if I didn't try it with you guys, I might not have tried out, just put it in a giveaway, you know. But look at that. And this brush is a dream because it just hugs perfectly and keeps the blush up nice and high so it's not down too low because it's kind of tapered and small. So this is beautiful combination right here. I'm so glad that I tried this. I would never have thought because it does, like I said, it looks a little bit on the paler pink or peach, pinky peach side. But wow, it just packed a ton of punch. It gave me all the color and the life that I could want. And this brush is a dream. I would buy another one of these. If I lost this, I'd go get another one. So I hope I could find this online because I need this. I need this brush in my life forever. And then let's see here. Oh, I love this bag here. It says self-love is the best love. So that's so nice. And then that was all of the larger size items, those extras and those IPSY add-ons. So now here is the IPSY bag in itself. So let's see what's in here. So right here we have Volume Mascara from Dying Beauty. Have you tried this yet? I can't wait to try that. I'll be back and we'll play with everything and make a look because I already do have my makeup on already. We could have tried it out together. But here is Pink Lips and this is Cherry Bomb. So this looks beautiful. Have you guys used this yet? Are you loving it? And then here is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer Lotion. Such an oldie but goodie. That just reminds me of like when I was a kid, you know. And then here is Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleeping Mask. Oh, I can't wait to use that because I've been wanting to use more vitamin C. So I'm going to use that tonight and I'll get back to you and let you know how it works. But here is another product, Grown Alchemist. And this is a gentle facial cleanser. So let me see what this smells like. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, it's a very nice botanical scent. I love those scents. So I can't wait to use this. This would look beautiful on your vanity or in your bathroom. You know, this is the trial size, I guess, or, you know, it's a deluxe sample size. But I'm sure the big bottle would look beautiful in your bathroom. I would actually, if this works good for me, I would actually purchase it because I love the aesthetic of having, you know, just like my bathroom vanities look nice. So I would definitely like to see this on my vanity. So beauties, that's everything that came in my IPSY box for February 2023. What do you beauties think? Did you get these items as well? Let me know any of your favorites. Did any of these work good for you? Did you try the cleanser? Let me know if it worked for you before I use it, and hopefully it won't break me out. Let me know if it broke you out, guys, out before I get into it. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I will see you very soon. Bye!